This video will describe the runners-up stocks page. In the Simply Investing platform, there are 5 types of subscriptions available to you. This video will use the US and Canadian account to demonstrate the runners-up page. These are undervalued, dividend-paying stocks that have met 9 out of the 10 quantitative rules of Simply Investing. In other words, these stocks get an SI criteria grade of 9 out of 10. By default, stocks are ordered from highest dividend growth to lowest dividend growth. These stocks are worth considering because they can provide you with greater diversification. For example, if you are an experienced investor and are looking to invest in a specific sector, you could wait for a stock in that sector to appear in the top ranked table, or you could check here in the runners-up table. Since these stocks fail one SI criteria, you need to look at the failed value and evaluate whether or not you should still invest in that stock. For example, rule number 6 requires that the average 20-year dividend growth is 8% or more. And a stock could have an average growth of 7.9%. Technically, it fails rule number 6, but the value is very close to 8%. So you need to make a decision based on the remaining rules and the current makeup of your portfolio. Remember, you are still responsible for applying Simply Investing rules 1 through 4 and number 12. With this account, you can select between viewing US stocks or Canadian stocks in the table. If you purchased the individual country subscription, then you will only have access to one country. On any stock table on this site, you can always click on a company name to see the company's stock data page. On that page, you will find more details about the stock, a company's description, a stock graph, and view the company's historical data. The question marks located here will show you the rule definition for each of the rules. And any value that fails a rule will be shown in bold, and its cell will also be highlighted, as you can see on the screen. The Simply Investing platform provides you with the ability to customize exactly how you would like to see the data. You can hide columns by clicking on any of the red X's located here. You can sort columns from high to low or from low to high by using the small arrows that appear here. You can also drag and drop columns into different locations. By default, this table is only showing 18 columns. However, you can use filters to display and filter on more than 120 columns. And you can save your favorite filters and table views for later use. Any changes you make here are only applied to the current table. You can always click here to restore the table back to its default view. Click here to view the 12 rules of Simply Investing and the Simply Investing criteria. For more questions and answers, have a look at the FAQ section.